As for his mercies endureth forever. Amen. For his mercies endureth forever. Amen. We sing glory be to God in the highest. Amen. Glory be to God in the highest. We say amen. For his mercies endureth forever. Amen. Oh, for your mercy endureth forever. Amen.